Hey guys, Allan Builds here, and today I'll show you how to replace your air filter. In this case, this is Honda CRV 2014. This process will be similar on most vehicles. The first thing is to find the hood release, pop up the hood, just find the latch, press this sideways, that's the lock. So press this sideways and lift up. Here is the air filter box. The air gets sucked into here, goes through into the throttle body, goes to the engine. If you're having hard time to find yours, just search the air intake hose. Here is the air intake hose. It's easy to find. I'll show you also the CRV 2018. Here is the air intake hose, and that's the air filter box. To open this, just remove this four fastener. That's one, that's two, that's three, and four. But I'm not opening this right now, I'm just show you guys. It's necessary to change the air filter. If your air filter dirty, it passes less air into the engine. It can impact your gas mileage by as much as 10%, and it will also affect engine performance. And now let's go back and change the air filter, guys. You may need this flathead, but I'm using the Phillips screw. Unscrew this clamp and pull this hose. This come right off. And there are three clips to unclip. This one, that's two, that's three, there's no clip here, just slide this to the left. Not that bad, but still looks dirty. Here is the new filter. Look at the old ones, so dirty compared to the new ones. Before we put this filter in, this must be clean. Just spray and wipe down a little. Looks better now. So let's put the new filter in. Make sure it's seated properly. Let's put the cover on. Making sure this going in. And clip those three. That's one. That's two. That's three. Push that hose on. We are completely done. If you found this helpful, please share, like, and consider subscribing and hit that bell notification so you are the first one to get notified when I upload a new video. Thanks guys. Till then, stay safe.